Hi. So it's one of those seasonal jobs we've been meaning to get onto for quite some time now. But basically, with your citrus trees, when you've overwintered them and you bring them out a bit early, like we did, um, they suffer from frost damage. And actually, we thought that the tree was dying because there was quite a large section of this large orange tree that was completely dead. So we've been feeding it with this citrus food for the past month, and with this lovely sunshine for the past couple of weeks and hot weather, fortunately you can see that it's actually putting on lots of lovely new growth. However, there's quite a bit of dieback, as you can see here, so it's very important this time of the year to cut out and remove any dieback from your citrus trees. Ideally, we should have done it earlier on, but we thought we were losing it. We thought it was on the way out. You might be wondering as well what this sacking is doing here. Um, Back in November time, when it was in the greenhouse, we noticed that there was quite a lot of mealybug appearing on the foliage and some white aphid as well. After the flowering, or you'll get that sort of stickiness in the leaves and it attracts those bugs. So on the nursery, we use biological control. So this is just the biological control that helps to keep it from the pests away from the tree. So yeah, really, really important to actually keep an eye on your citrus and give them plenty of food this time of the year. It'll help to bring them into uh, healthy leaf. And in addition to that, it's a good idea to also switch and use a flowering citrus food to get the flowers coming, so that you'll get all the wonderful fruits. This particular orange tree here is a very old tree, it's very beautiful. We've tried the fruit, it's actually a blood orange, so really nice, nice job to be doing on a sunny day like today. Good to get it in before we have all those with the wind and rain and the hurricane or whatever sort of dreadful weather is on its way tomorrow. Just enjoying the sun today. It's quite nice to be able to show people what we actually do on the nursery. And in effect, really, it's lovely to have such a huge citrus tree like that as a feature, and it's a great way of showcasing plant maintenance, keeping them healthy and alive and looking good. Yeah, yeah, I'm happy with that. It's quite good. I'm happy with that.